good morning, good morning, good morning. Now, it's a sunny day. I hope you guys doing okay, everybody, and doing safe and good health for all of you. Shout out to all of you out there, whoever watching on this. Thanks so much to you guys supporting me and following my videos all the time. I'm very glad to you guys, and you're always there for me. And I always pray for you guys that to be safe all the time. I know you guys are doing some different time for us. We're a different place, and I know you guys are watching all the time in my video. Thanks so much for your watching and support. And I'm always glad that you're always there for me. Anyway, yesterday was so snowing, and now it's a wonderful sunny day. Look at the weather is, and you can see it behind me, and look at that. It was really bright, the sun, huh? Now it's the weather, our temperature is low of 38 degrees. So I'm always having fun to see the sun. Of course, I wish snowing, but not much like what I always wish to do happen. So now thanks so much for you guys, and I'm going to my daughter's house and buy some stuff for what we need for the house, and of course, you know, car wash, and it's a weekend, you know. And I'm glad to you guys that you always patrioting my video and supporting all the time, and I'm so glad. And have a blessed day, Sunday, to all of you. It's a Sunday morning at 11 a.m. here, and some of us are different places or different times. So, and thanks so much, and be there for me. And I'll be going there to my daughter and take some doing something out there. And let's go. There you go. Ganda ng mga bahay dito, no? Proud na proud yung anak ko sa sarili niya. Talagang nakabili siya ng bahay. Sabi niya, tatay ko hindi pa nakakabili ng bahay simula't simula. Ako may bahay na. Nga naman sa edad ng 20, may bahay ka dito sa Amerika.
Springs pa ano to? Parang pumapangalawa sa California lumalabas sa kamahalan.
Kaya nga. Wala si wala si
Idra ba yun? Kaya nga.
Naka-jacket. I'm here in my daughter's house, and I got this pet with me. This cat always playing. Where are you guys at? Hello? hiding. It's hiding. I know where to go. Where she goes. Just hiding. This is the room right there, and then this is where they poops and pee, and that's their food out there in the water. I don't know where they are. They're hiding maybe. Where you at, baby? Are you guys there? Just hiding. Just hiding. Come here. It's over there. Come here. Come here. You're hiding, huh? Barbs. Yeah, doon iikot ka pa ng mahaba.
Kaya nga.
Diretso na.
Tsaka masyadong busy yung road dun sa kabila.
Oo.
Hindi kagaya dito, tinumula lang masyadong sasakyan. Sunset na, oh. Gandang tignan.
Ganda ng sunset, no? Sunset, nasa bundok.
Eh, yun naman talaga eh. Di ba? Yung sa
What a
mga-
beautiful sunset. Look at that.
Mga
5:33 p.m.
Ah, hindi kasi sa Saipan, sunset nasa dagat.
Oo.
Dito, sunset nasa bundok.
Ang ganda, oh. Nanlilimos yung homeless, oh. Meron ka pagdating sa Lakwatsa kahit magkano pa yun.
Hindi ako yun, ah.
Malulula ako sa mga binibitawan niyang presyo. Pilipinas yun, hindi yun Amerika.
Pinakita mo yung hagdanan. Ayoko niyan dati, tignan mo yung hagdanan, malalaglag tayo dyan, oh. Ito, tignan mo daddy, maganda to. Penthouse sa Venice. 10,000, 16 days na yun. So pwede na. Ay nako. sama-sama lang tayo, no, de? Si lolo't lola, si Eugene, ako, ikaw, sa 19 ng gabi, yung birthday ni lola. Kumbaga, sama-sama mo na lahat-lahat, celebration, tapos 19 ng gabi.
Hirap i-drive niyan, lalo pag madulas. Ako. Lalo na kung ang daan pababa. Eh dito pa naman puro ganito.
Kaya nga eh.
Takot mag-drive niyan. Kahit sabihin mong air brake yan.
Kaya, kung tatapat dyan, ayoko niyan. Takot ako dyan. Umuuga siya, no, de?
Hindi naman sa ganito, wala yan.
Ba't umuuga?
Eh talagang ganun, may shock nga yan eh. Tanga na. Mukha. Nangihibang. Sana may parking. Sana lang. Sana. 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 Sana nga.
Ayos.
Home.